3D printing is regarded as being possibly the next industrial revolution since it will change the manufacturing methods in many industries. The following list is just a glimpse into what we know can be made using the 3D printers. So prosthetic limbs can be made to exactly fit the limb, making items to allow precision reconstruction surgery. Example, facial reconstruction following an accident. In aerospace, making wings and other parts using 3D technology. The bonus will be lightweight precision parts. Fashion and art, new creative ideas to be developed, making parts for items no longer in production. Example, suspension parts of a vintage car.